Imagine standing in the shadow of a pyramid, feeling the weight of thousands of years pressing down on you. The air is thick with mystery, and every stone whispers secrets of a forgotten era. Suddenly, a hidden passageway opens before you, revealing chambers never seen by human eyes in over 4,000 years. What would you find inside? Gold, ancient texts, or perhaps something far more shocking? Today, we're diving deep into the hidden chambers of the Egyptian pyramids, unraveling secrets that have been buried for millennia. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at these iconic monuments the same way again. The Egyptian pyramids have captivated our imaginations for centuries. As one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, they stand as a testament to the ingenuity, power, and mystery of ancient Egypt. But beyond their massive stone exteriors lies a web of secrets, hidden chambers, and tunnels that have puzzled archaeologists and historians alike for years. We believed we had uncovered everything there was to know about these architectural marvels, but recent discoveries have turned our understanding upside down. New technologies and daring explorations have revealed previously unknown chambers and passages, offering tantalizing clues about the pharaohs' intentions and the secrets they took to their graves. Let's begin with the most famous of them all, the Great Pyramid of Giza. Built over 4,500 years ago for Pharaoh Khufu, this pyramid is the largest of its kind and was the tallest man-made structure in the world for over 3,800 years. While many believe it to be nothing more than a grand tomb, recent findings suggest otherwise. In 2017, an international team of researchers used cutting-edge technology known as muon radiography, a technique that detects cosmic particles passing through solid objects to scan the pyramid. The results were astonishing. Hidden within the Great Pyramid, they found a massive void at least 100 feet long, positioned above the Grand Gallery, the internal corridor leading to the king's chamber. This space, which had remained untouched since the pyramid's construction, sparked intense debate among Egyptologists. What is this chamber for? Was it a hidden burial chamber, a secret storage space, or something more enigmatic? Some theorize it could have been used to relieve the pressure of the massive stones above, or even served a ceremonial purpose. However, without direct access, these remain mere speculations. What we do know is that the Great Pyramid is far more complex than we ever imagined. Beneath the pyramids, the secrets grow even darker. The subterranean chambers of the Great Pyramid are a labyrinthine network of tunnels and shafts that defy easy explanation. The most mysterious among them is the so-called subterranean chamber, a rough, unfinished cavern deep beneath the pyramid. Unlike the well-polished chambers above, this one looks almost as if it was abandoned mid-construction. Why would the builders leave such a space unfinished? Some experts suggest it might have been an early burial chamber for Khufu, but the theory doesn't entirely add up. There are no signs of a sarcophagus or burial artifacts. Others believe it could have been a symbolic passage to the underworld, mirroring the journey the pharaoh would make in death. Adding to the mystery is the presence of narrow, unexplored tunnels branching off from this chamber. Could these lead to more hidden rooms or undiscovered treasures? With each passing year, the potential for new discoveries grows, challenging everything we thought we knew about these ancient structures. The secrets of the Sphinx pyramids go far beyond the Great Pyramid. Let's journey south to Dahshur, where we find the pyramids of Pharaoh Sneferu, known as the Pyramid Builder. Sneferu was responsible for constructing at least 3 major pyramids during his reign, including the Bent Pyramid and the Red Pyramid. The Bent Pyramid, with its unusual shape, has always been a subject of intrigue, but it's what lies inside that has truly captivated archaeologists. In the 1950s, a hidden chamber was discovered within the pyramid, accessible only through a maze of narrow tunnels. Inside, they found the remains of a wooden coffin and a mummy believed to be that of an unknown person. Who was buried here, and why was this chamber so well hidden? Even more perplexing is the discovery of a second, smaller pyramid at the site known as the Satellite Pyramid. Recently, researchers uncovered a small hidden chamber beneath it. This chamber, lined with limestone blocks, contained fresh segments of gold leaf and bits of wood. suggesting it might have held the remains of Sneferu's queen or a close family member. But no inscriptions or artifacts were found to confirm this, leaving the chamber's true purpose shrouded in mystery. As technology advances, so too does our ability to peer into the past. Recently, archaeologists have employed a host of new tools from 3D scanning to infrared thermography to uncover the hidden secrets of Egypt's pyramids. These techniques have revealed hidden anomalies within the structure's walls that seem to conceal empty spaces, temperatures that indicate unseen cavities, and tunnels that could lead to buried chambers. One of the most exciting discoveries came in 2020, when a team of archaeologists used ground-penetrating radar to survey the pyramid complex of Pharaoh Djoser at Saqqara. They found a series of hidden tunnels running beneath the step pyramid, some of which were filled with priceless artifacts and inscriptions. These tunnels, it seems, were used not just for burial, but also as part of a vast ceremonial complex designed to honor the pharaoh in the afterlife. And the discoveries keep coming. Just last year, researchers uncovered a previously unknown chamber within the Pyramid of Unas, one of the last pyramids built during Egypt's Old Kingdom. This chamber, filled with ancient graffiti and carvings, offers a rare glimpse into the thoughts and beliefs of the pyramid builders themselves. The Giza Plateau is home to more than just the Great Pyramid. It's a sprawling archaeological site filled with hidden chambers, secret passages, and unexplored tombs. For decades, explorers have speculated about the existence of a vast underground network beneath the plateau, one that might connect the three main pyramids and the Sphinx. In the 1990s, a team of explorers discovered a series of underground tunnels and chambers beneath the plateau, leading to what they called the Hall of Records. According to ancient texts and local legends, this hall was said to contain the lost knowledge of the Egyptians, including details about their advanced technology and understanding of the cosmos. While the hall itself has never been found, the tunnels beneath Giza remain one of the most tantalizing mysteries of Egyptology. In recent years, new efforts have been made to map these tunnels using advanced scanning technologies. Some researchers believe they have identified the entrance to a hidden chamber beneath the Sphinx, one that could hold the key to unlocking Egypt's most enduring secrets. But the Egyptian government has been hesitant to allow further exploration, citing concerns about damaging the ancient structures. So what do all these hidden chambers and tunnels tell us about ancient Egyptian burial practices? For one, they reveal a culture that was obsessed with the afterlife. The Egyptians believed that the pharaohs were divine beings, and their tombs were designed not just as final resting places, but as gateways to eternity. The pyramids were more than just monuments to the dead. They were carefully constructed machines for resurrection, filled with traps, false doors, and secret chambers to protect the pharaoh's body and spirit. The hidden chambers might have served as storage spaces for sacred texts, magical spells, and treasures that the pharaoh would need in the afterlife. But they also suggest a society that was deeply hierarchical, with only the elite granted access to these sacred spaces. The more hidden and secure the tomb, the greater the status of the person buried within it. This is why many of the most elaborate tombs were reserved for the pharaohs and their closest confidants. As we continue to explore these ancient structures, one thing becomes clear: the pyramids still have much to teach us. Every hidden chamber, every secret passageway, every unexplored tunnel holds the promise of new discoveries. These monuments are not just relics of the past, they are living archives of a civilization that continues to fascinate and inspire us. So the next time you find yourself standing before a pyramid, remember that there's more to these ancient wonders than meets the eye. Beneath their towering exteriors lies a world of secrets waiting to be discovered, and who knows, the next great discovery could be just a stone's throw away. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the heart of the pyramids. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible discoveries. Until next time, keep exploring the mysteries of our ancient world.